In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Airtable interface. To get started, open Airtable and navigate to the specific interface you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct one before moving forward, especially if your base contains multiple interfaces for different teams or workflows. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid sending access to the wrong page later. Once you have the right interface open, the next thing to check is whether it has been published. In Airtable, an interface usually needs to be published before other people can access the latest version. If you've made recent changes, this is especially important. Publishing ensures that what others see matches the version you intend to share. And after confirming that the interface is published, look for the share option and click it. This is where Airtable gives you the tools to control who can view or interact with the interface. And the sharing window is also where you'll manage access settings, so it's worth moving carefully through each option. Now add the users or groups who need access. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you may be able to invite individual people or entire groups at once. This is useful if you're sharing the interface with a department, project team, or set of collaborators. As you do this, double check that you're adding the intended recipient so access stays organized and secure. Next, choose the correct permission level. This part matters because it determines what people are allowed to do inside the interface. For example, some users may only need to view information, while others may need the ability to edit or interact more deeply. Selecting the right permission level helps prevent confusion and protects the integrity of your data. Once the access settings look right, copy the interface link. This gives you a quick way to send the interface through email, chat, or your team's internal communication tools. Before sending it out broadly, it's a good idea to make sure everything is working exactly as expected. Finally, open the link yourself and test the interface. This last check helps you confirm that the page loads properly, the permissions are correct, and the shared experience matches what your users will see. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust the settings before anyone else tries to use it. And that's it. That's how to share an Airtable interface clearly, securely, and with the right level of access for your team.